Welcome to our review of the best home hair laser devices for effective hair regrowth. Hair loss can be a challenging issue, but thanks to advancements in laser technology, you can now tackle it from the comfort of your home. These FDA-cleared devices are safe, convenient, and designed to promote thicker, healthier hair. In this video, we'll review the top 5 options, covering their features, benefits, and usability to help you choose the right one. Stick around to discover the perfect solution for your hair growth journey. Kicking off our list at number 1, Capillus. The Capillus Ultra LaserCap is a compact and easy-to-use device designed for those looking to combat hair thinning or loss. This FDA-cleared device uses low-level laser therapy, LLT, to stimulate hair follicles and encourage natural regrowth. Key features: it features 410 laser diodes for full scalp coverage, delivering powerful light energy to the hair follicles. The cap is lightweight, discreet, and can be worn under a hat, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. The device is cordless, offering added convenience and mobility. Benefits and usage: the Capillus Ultra promotes thicker, fuller hair by improving blood flow to the scalp and reactivating dormant follicles. For best results, wear it for 6 minutes daily. The short treatment time makes it easy to stay consistent without disrupting your schedule. Usability: designed with portability and ease of use in mind, the Capillus Ultra is suitable for men and women experiencing hair loss. Its flexible design ensures comfort even with extended use, and it's compatible with most head sizes. Durability: the Capillus Ultra is built to last, with high-quality materials and a sturdy construction. It includes a rechargeable battery and a convenient carrying case for storage and travel. With proper care, this device can serve you for years, making it a worthwhile investment. In the second spot, we have Theradome. The Theradome Pro LH80 is a professional-grade hair growth helmet that brings clinical-level laser therapy to your home. Designed with advanced technology, this FDA-cleared device is ideal for tackling hair thinning and promoting regrowth. Key features: featuring 80 medical-grade lasers, the Theradome Pro delivers concentrated energy directly to the scalp for maximum follicle stimulation. Its hands-free design and cordless functionality make it convenient to use. It also has an auto shut-off feature to prevent overuse. Benefits and usage: the helmet stimulates blood flow, strengthens hair follicles, and reduces hair thinning with consistent use. Wear it twice a week for 20 minutes per session to see noticeable results in a few months. Its hands-free design allows you to multitask while using it. Usability: the Theradome Pro is ergonomically designed for comfort and fits securely on most head sizes. Its lightweight structure ensures a hassle-free experience, and the device is easy to operate with a single-button control. Durability: built with durable materials and long-lasting lasers, the Theradome Pro is a reliable investment. The rechargeable battery provides hours of usage, and the device comes with a 1-year warranty for added peace of mind. Coming in at number 3 is the LaserCap. The LaserCap HD Plus is a premium laser therapy cap designed for individuals seeking an effective solution to hair loss. With its powerful laser technology, this FDA-cleared device delivers professional results from the comfort of your home. Key features: the LaserCap HD Plus boasts 304 laser diodes, providing full scalp coverage and ensuring even distribution of light energy. Its flexible design fits comfortably under a hat, allowing discreet use. The device is powered by a rechargeable battery for ultimate convenience. Benefits and usage: the LaserCap HD Plus improves scalp health, stimulates dormant follicles, and encourages thicker hair growth. Wear it for 15 minutes 3 times a week for optimal results. Its hands-free operation makes it easy to incorporate into your routine. Usability: this cap is lightweight, portable, and designed for ease of use. It's suitable for both men and women experiencing various stages of hair loss. The flexible lining ensures a comfortable fit even during extended use. Durability: the LaserCap HD Plus is built with high-quality materials, ensuring long-lasting performance. The rechargeable battery is durable and supports multiple sessions on a single charge. The device also comes with a protective carrying case for safe storage and travel. Taking our fourth spot is illumiflow. The illumiflow 272 LaserCap is an FDA-cleared device that combines advanced laser technology with user-friendly features to provide effective hair regrowth therapy. It's designed for individuals looking for a cost-effective yet powerful solution to hair loss. Key features: equipped with 272 laser diodes, this cap delivers consistent energy across the scalp to stimulate follicles. The device is lightweight, portable, and comes with a rechargeable battery pack. It's designed to be used hands-free, making it easy to multitask during sessions. Benefits and usage: the illumiflow 272 promotes thicker, fuller hair by reactivating dormant follicles and improving blood flow. For best results, wear it for 30 minutes every other day. Its powerful laser technology ensures noticeable improvements within a few months of consistent use. Usability: designed for comfort and convenience, the illumiflow 272 is easy to operate with a one-button control. It fits securely on most head sizes, and its lightweight structure makes it comfortable to wear during treatments. Durability: the device is built with premium materials and includes a long-lasting battery for extended usage. Its sturdy construction ensures reliability, and it comes with a manufacturer's warranty for added assurance. And finally, at number 5, we have NutraStim. The NutraStim Professional Hair Growth Laser Comb is a handheld device that offers targeted hair regrowth therapy. This FDA-cleared laser comb is ideal for individuals seeking a portable and cost-effective alternative to caps and helmets. Key features: featuring 12 medical-grade lasers, the NutraStim comb delivers concentrated energy directly to the scalp. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it easy to maneuver, while the rechargeable battery ensures cordless convenience. Benefits and usage: the laser comb stimulates scalp circulation, strengthens hair follicles, and promotes regrowth with consistent use. Glide the comb slowly over your scalp for 8 minutes, 3 times a week, to achieve optimal results. It's suitable for addressing early stages of hair loss. Usability: the NutraStim comb is compact, easy to use, and designed for targeted therapy. Its portable size makes it ideal for travel, and its straightforward operation ensures a hassle-free experience. Durability: constructed with durable materials, the NutraStim comb is built to last. Its rechargeable battery supports multiple sessions on a single charge, and the device comes with a protective case for safe storage. Its affordability and portability make it a great option for beginners. That's a wrap on our review of the top 5 home hair laser devices. Whether you prefer the convenience of caps like Capillus Ultra or the portability of NutraStim's comb, there's a solution for everyone. Remember, consistency and patience are key to seeing results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert product reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.